No kid has ever said, I want to be an insurance agent when I grow up. It's one of the most lucrative and underrated professions out there. Here are 5 reasons why you should become a PNC insurance agent. Let's get started. Hi, welcome. My name is Victoria, and welcome to She's a Beast podcast. Today, we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you should consider becoming a PNC insurance agent. First of all, insurance in general is a very lucrative industry. Whether you're doing life insurance, PNC, commercial insurance, etc. I personally like more PNC because it's general lines insurance and I have a lot more opportunities there, and typically it's a little bit more stable. But we can talk about the life versus PNC in another video. And leave me a comment if that's something you want to hear from me. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. On to point number 1. The name of the game is base plus commission, people. Base plus commission is my number 1. Because for me, and you guys, if you guys are seeing my channel and my videos, you know my ups and downs in the marketing industry. And you know that I've been looking for security. So base plus commission is very important to me. And PNC, very likely, if it's a captive agency, meaning you're only working for a major insurer, like Allstate, Progressive, Farmers, so they usually give you base plus commission. Most of them, if not all of them, give you base plus commission. Now, the base is negotiable. They'll give you a range of like what they expect or like what are the expectations. And then you can negotiate, say, hey, this is what I bring to the table. If you're new like me, I had to negotiate and say, listen, I have an extensive background in marketing and I know how to create a personal brand. I know how to market myself. So I know how to network on LinkedIn. I know how to produce YouTube videos. So I had to really sell myself to get like at least a bit of a high base or high-ish base, because from what I've heard online, a lot of these bases, depending where you are applying, are pretty low. The lowest I've seen is 25,000 a year, and the highest I've seen is 45, 40-ish, around that time. So depending on your agency owner and depending on how you sell yourself and what you bring to the table, that's going to be your base. But base versus no base is still good. They'll give you the base and they'll also give you a per item percentage, per item meaning policy, or item in the policy, because not per customer. Why? Because a customer can buy more than one policy. If you're doing bundling like home and auto, that's 2 items. If you're doing home and auto and you're doing another car and you're doing a bow, those are like 4 items. You see? That's 1 customer, 4 items. So then you get a percentage on each item. And that's why I chose to focus more on PNC. It was a lot more to study than life insurance. And life insurance, they are commission only. Like, I haven't seen one with base. Honestly, I have not seen it. If there is out there, please leave me a comment. Let me know if there is a company out there that gives base with life insurance, but I haven't seen it. It doesn't seem to be an industry norm. It's more like, and a lot of these companies also, they make you pay for your leads. That's no. But that's a different video. If y'all want me to talk about the pros and cons of PNC versus life insurance, you guys gotta let me know in the comments and I'll make that video for you, okay? On to point number 2. This is one of the big ones for me, is you can work anywhere. You can work from home, you can be on vacation, you can be anywhere within the US. You just gotta let them know, because they have to track the company computer that they give you. So that is one of the perks of being an insurance agent. You can also work in office if you choose, but most agencies have like either fully remote, hybrid, or in office. I've seen myself work physically on my own versus physically with other people, and I'm so drained at the end of the day. Oh, so since I know me, I love me, and I want to be remote. Point number 3, you have no cap on commission. This is very important. No cap means you don't have a limit or a cap on how much money you can make on the policies you make. And actually, the more policies you sell, the increment of percentage increases. So the commission increases over time when you keep going up, or keep your volume of production keeps going up. If you are interviewing and someone says that you have a cap on your commission, look somewhere else. Look somewhere else, because that is not the right agency for you. That brings me to point number 4. You have options. The best thing about this industry is that you can shop around for agencies, or like you can shop around for employers, and you have like an abundance of opportunity, and you can get a job pretty quickly once you're licensed, even before you're licensed, because they all give you opportunities for pre-licensing, which if you haven't seen my video on how to pass the PNC test, go ahead and check it out somewhere around here. It'll be in the cards, it'll be in the description, it'll be around. So check that out. So if you see something that just doesn't align with you, or is like doesn't meet your goals, you can say thank you but no thank you and move on. And you'll for sure find an employer that fits your lifestyle, what you're looking for, that you feel comfortable, that you find the team that you're looking at, a team that actually supports you, mentorship, everything that you're looking for will be, you will definitely find it somewhere, and at a faster pace than, let's say, like what I was doing with marketing. Like, you know how long it takes to find a job in corporate marketing? It takes months. Okay, so the speed in which you can find a job in this industry is fast, and me likey fast. Love it. That brings me to my next point, which is growth opportunities. You have an abundance of growth opportunities with this kind of job and in this industry. Because if you say you go into, for me, since I'm completely new to this industry, I am open to possibilities. But let's say if you're someone that you exactly know what you want, like you want to have your own business, you want to have your own agency, you can be upfront about it and say, hey, listen, I want to grow in this industry, I have these ambitions, I want to make manager, I want to have a team, I want to have my own agency one day. And they'll put you on the path to do that. Like, they will align with you, because that's what these companies want. They either want to expand branches of their own agency and looking for good leaders within their team to expand into partnership, or they just, they have been agents before and they expand the opportunity to become an agency owner to their leadership or their agents. So I've seen it a lot in corporate, where you have like these gatekeeping people that just don't want to teach you, and you won't be able to grow. That's what you want to avoid. This kind of industry, it's like blossom. They'll help you get to wherever you want, and they'll give you the space and the opportunity to grow into what eventually you're good for, or you're good at. Like, if you're gonna be good at management, you'll grow into it. So it's like endless possibilities. And that brings me to my last point, which is endless opportunities. You have endless opportunities, endless possibilities with this kind of industry. You can sell all different types of policies, commercial insurance which have pretty big sizable commissions, home and auto, because they are commoditized and everybody needs it. And the possibilities are endless with this kind of job. And that's why I absolutely 100% recommend that if you are in a similar journey that I was in, like I was, where I was in corporate for 8 years, and I just basically the best I could do was like in the last 2 years of my career, I made it to marketing manager after being a marketer for 6 years, and then in the last two, I made it to marketing manager barely. Just like I felt like at that point I should have been something with more based on my experience. I felt stuck and stagnated. If that's you, this industry, it's been like breaking a cage. It's like breathing oxygen. You have so much opportunity, so many possibilities you don't know what to do with, versus like you're stuck in a cage and no one wants to let you grow, and these people above you are taking everything and you're making them grow, but they don't help you grow. They don't pull you up, and I'm super against that kind of mentality and that kind of management style. I think is disgusting. And if you really want people, if you're depending on your employees to grow and you don't give them opportunity to find growth in their own careers and be passionate about what they're doing and finding purpose, then what the heck are we doing, corporate America? What are we doing? It's not it. And I made myself a promise. I always said that if I ever get to a point where I am CEO or I am the boss of X amount of people, I will always look out for my people. That's the loyalty that I bring as a manager, as a boss, as a CEO. That's the promise I made, because it happened to me. I had bad CEOs, I had bad managers, gatekeepers, people just keeping you small. You can't. I know I'm going off on a tangent, but I know that y'all can agree with me in the comments or disagree. You're in an environment that just fosters negativity and fosters stagnation, then you need to break out of it and find something new. And I think insurance for me has been that gateway. These type of session resistant industries that no matter what happens, you never have a cap on that commission. If someone, God forbid, fires you, or you lose your job in that agency, is not the end of the world, because tomorrow you'll have another job in another agency. It's that fast. It's one of those beautiful things that I wish I knew 8 years ago when I finished college. I wish I knew about this industry and the business behind it and the beauty of it. I would have been in there 8 years ago. Probably would have had my agency by now. You know what I'm saying? But also, the other side of the coin is you get there when you're ready. I don't think I would have been ready at 23 to get into this industry, but I am ready at 31. Yeah, look at me, I'm 31. Oh my god, look at me, how cute. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, what you want to hear from me. How's your experience? Let me know. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye.